வணக்கங்க. வெல்கம் டு ஜேபி ரியல் எஸ்டேட். 1 ஏக்கரா பால் பண்ணை விற்பனைக்கு இருக்குதுங்க. இந்த வீடியோடைய டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் ஃபுல் டீட்டெயிலாக கொடுத்துருக்குதுங்க. அதை போய் பாருங்கள். லேண்ட் ஓனர் நம்பர் மற்ற டீட்டெயில்ஸ் எல்லாமே வீடியோடைய டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் பாருங்கள். வாங்க இப்போ வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம்.
1 acre farmhouse in Thiruvananthapuram for sale, including the dairy of farm dairy sale, including all equipments. Its exact location in Neyatinkara, Kattakkadu Road, Thiruvananthapuram. It's farm dairy, total all the equipments with 1 acre land for sale. It's covered around full property by fencing, and it's have 2 well and 1 cow shed, and the including packing machines also included. And apart from this, it's included all the bakery items manufacturing machine also there in the set. We are looking now the set, and after that we have 2 EB service are there, and one is single phase and another one is 3 phase. Also have genset of 25 kVA genset we have, and it's all including all greeneries and everything is included. We are looking for the same, the dairy with the set and all the equipments in inside. Again I am tell, it's included 2 well and cow sets and packing machine also included, and it's the location is Neyatinkara. It's a Kattakkadu Road, Thiruvananthapuram. It's near Thiruvananthapuram. It's dairy farm, 1 acre for sale. It's including all the equipments and machineries itself. For more details you can contact Mr. Biju 7025 4025 00. Again Mr. Biju 7025 402 500. It's very beautiful farm dairy. It's included all the equipments ready to do the business. We can start immediately. All the latest machines and sets and everything included. The total price is 3.5 crores negotiable. It's where these are set, and it's and this one is cow set. We having a look the cow set. It's not used right now. It's ready to use. The condition is properly used runs. The cow sets, it's modern equipments for dairy farm. All the machine, the equipments for cow storage and everything, it's ready to use. The condition, it's cow set. You can maintain more than 550 cows in the set, and including all the feeders, the feeding machines and water facilities and everything is there. And we have 2 well and covered by fencing, and the cow set, packing machine. This one is one of the area. It's most is there anybody want to stay here? It's all included. It's all included for sale. It's most beautiful area. The climate and everything is there. For the investment purpose and ready to do the business, it's very useful. And interested party, have a look and we can close the deal. You can contact Mr. Biju 7025 4025 00. Again 7025 4025 00. There is no mediator in this deal. Mr. Biju is the owner of the concern. You can contact directly. Please contact Mr. Biju. We are watching Parina Amman creation also in our YouTube channel, and now we are posted in JP Real Estate. Subscribe this channel if you are like, and continue. If you want any deal like this, you can get all the notification and other details once you subscribe this channel. It's on one set. It's all included storage. We are looking for this. This is a storage set. It's cold storage. This room. Once the milk is ready, we can store in cold storage. These are processing machines. Thank you for watching. Subscribe JP Real Estate. Thank you.